guys, welcome back to another video. Every video I just amaze myself. I do things that I never thought I could do. This is really nothing compared to what some people do, like literally paint portraits on their eyes. I'm not that girl and I never will be. I can't draw, period. I am really excited to show you guys how I did this look. I did this eye first and I did it off camera, and I just wanted to see if I could actually do it, and I mean, that looks like a unicorn horn to me, so I'm really impressed. If you guys want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Alright guys, and here is the final look. I cannot believe I did this. I'm so happy with it. Alana, I hope you absolutely love it. I love you. Thank you so much to you and everyone who watches these videos and supports me. Y'all mean the absolute world to me. I know I've been moving kind of slow lately, but just hang on. It's gonna get better. I just know it. Like, I feel like this is what I'm meant to do. This is what I absolutely love, so I'm not gonna quit doing it. Thank you guys again for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.